Good day, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all out there in the world? I am an IMA with the One Life Network. My name is Keston Pierre, and what I'm going to teach you today is how to sign up a new merchant on your Deal Shaker platform through the One Life Network with you as the sponsor. So let's get directly into it. So first, to begin, you need to go into My Profile. Next important step is you scroll directly down and pick what side you want the merchant to go on. Is it automatically or is it left or right? And go up and click on sign up a new merchant with you as sponsor. So I do that now, and there we have it, folks. The form is up. What you do there now is enter the merchant's name, username, and all your credentials needed to set up this account. So for example, the merchant here name is Keston Pay. Username, I have it waiting to put into the relative slides. Pick your country. So for example, this merchant is from Trinidad and Tobago. So I click Trinidad. Email address, password, confirm your password. You enter the zip code as well. In Trinidad, we normally use 0000, but in your country or state, whatever the zip code is, where the merchant is located, you need to enter that in the zip code area. You go to the phone number as well. Our code here is 868. It comes up. Then you enter the actual number. Now you put in the security aspects of it. And folks, you don't need to rush this process. You need to make sure that all the information that you enter is exactly what needs to be entered, especially the email address and the password. Because what happens is, if you don't enter the correct email address and they send the confirmation email to the individual and they don't confirm it, that account would go dormant. So check over and make sure everything is correct. First name, last name, country, the username, the email, and the phone number. And then you go down to the I accept all Deal Shaker policies and click all 4 boxes. And when you have finished that, you just click on register. And let's see what goes on. So we have just successfully created a new Deal Shaker merchant. It's better to read through all the terms and conditions so you will know the do's and don'ts as a merchant. Click on confirm. I have read terms and conditions and I agree to terms and conditions. Okay folks, so I have just set up a new merchant. So what we are going to do now is set up the merchant profile so you'll be able to see what deals or services that this merchant have to offer, their locations, and the terms and conditions of their deals.